Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make single layer PCB in EasyEDA. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, alright, what we are going to do. So we have here in the schematic some design. Now we go here to the design and convert schematic to PCB. And we will get something like this. So let me show you in 3D. So I have here my resistor, my uh, basically a connector, and then a LED diode, just like so. Now, all right, we want to have just one layer PCB. So what we are going to do, if we are in a PCB format right now, so here at the right side you will see something like layers and object here, and here you see how many layers do we see right now. Okay, so if we go here at the top right corner under the layers and objects, you will see this gear icon and then click on it. So now you will see here copper layer 2, and we can change that to number 1. Now, as you can see, here is not possible yet basically to create just layer 1, but what you can do is just ignore that. You can connect everything right here on this layer. For example, if you don't have uh, bunch of components, so you just put all the components on top layer, for example. The price is not really different from single layer to two layer PCB anymore. Also for four layer PCB is not that big a difference. And yeah, you can build this way if you have problem with single layer that you are not basically allowed to do that. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next